Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an extraordinary opportunity as we stand before the recently reopened Contemporary Art Center, known as CEMC, here in Vilnius. After an extensive 3-year reconstruction, this iconic institution is ready to unveil its transformed spaces to the public. Now, it stands revitalized and ready to embrace visitors once again. The exterior, with its clean lines and modernist flair, pays homage to its original designer, the renowned architect Vytautas Edmundas Čekanauskas. This structure, a cornerstone of Lithuanian architecture from the 1960s, has been carefully restored to preserve its historical significance while integrating contemporary enhancements. While we are still outside, take a moment to appreciate the facade. Its geometric precision and subtle elegance invite curiosity and admiration. Imagine the countless visitors who've crossed this threshold over the decades, each adding their own stories to the vibrant tapestry of the museum's history. Today, we have the unique privilege of experiencing the Days of Return, a special 10-day event marking the rebirth of this cultural landmark. As we prepare to step inside, I invite you to approach this visit with a sense of wonder and imagination. What awaits us is not a traditional exhibition filled with artworks, but rather a celebration of architecture and space. The newly renovated halls stand empty, allowing us to fully appreciate the beauty and harmony of the building's design. This emptiness is intentional, offering you the freedom to wander unencumbered through the exhibition halls, lobbies, and public spaces. As we explore, our senses will be engaged by an intriguing audio experience. The sounds echoing through these halls are carefully curated fragments from past exhibitions, significant shows, and sound installations that once filled these very rooms. This auditory journey through the museum's history creates a fascinating juxtaposition with the visual emptiness, inviting us to reflect on the building's rich cultural legacy. This tour is a tribute to Vytautas Edmundas Čekanauskas, the renowned architect who designed this edifice in the 1960s. Considered one of the most beautiful examples of Lithuanian modernist architecture, the building has been meticulously restored and updated for a new chapter in its existence. The renovation, overseen by architects Audrius and Marina Bučas, has carefully balanced respect for Čekanauskas' original vision and the artistic legacy of Valdas Ozarinskas, the longtime institutional architect of CEMC. As we embark on this unique experience, I encourage you to open your minds to the interplay of past and present, of sound and silence, of architectural form and empty space. Let the renewed CEMC inspire your imagination and spark conversations about the future of contemporary art in Lithuania. Also, before we enter the museum, I want to remind you that this is a 360-degree video, and you don't need any special equipment to enjoy it fully. That's right, no fancy VR headsets required. All you need to do is use your mouse or finger to drag the screen around in YouTube. On mobile, you can even move your device around to explore the surroundings. It's like you're right here with us in CEMC. I highly encourage you to look around as we walk, or even hit the pause button to see even the smallest details. This interactive feature makes our tour so much more engaging and fun. You might spot something I miss, so keep those eyes peeled. If you're enjoying this journey, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon to stay updated on our latest tours. Also, let us know in the comments, do you prefer these 360-degree videos, or do you like traditional videos better? We love hearing your feedback. Now, let us step inside and begin our journey through the Days of Return at the CEMC Museum.
It's